today is more than just a kickoff. It is a reminder of our shared responsibility in keeping Muntinlupa moving forward. And behind that progress are the contributions of you, the taxpayers, who fulfill their obligations year after year. Maraming salamat po for gracing this event. I know that this will give us a big support sa ating pagkolekta ng buwis para dito sa syudad.
And I would like to thank you for inviting me to the kickoff of your tax campaign for 2025. As we all know, it's been said that taxes are the lifeblood of government. So for us in government, we are only able to deliver because of the taxes that are collected. And we would like to emphasize the value of taxpayers' contribution to national development through the taxes that they pay. And I hope that it will be a very good tax year for the district because we know that it will go to good projects and programs for the people. Congratulations again and all the best to us. God bless you all.
Now, let me quote our Commissioner of Internal Revenue, Romeo Lumagi Jr., when he said that taxes are not just numbers on a balance sheet. They are investments in our shared future, in the kind of world we want to pass on to the next generation. Dahil ang bagong Pilipino ay nagbabayad ng buwis na tapat para sa tagumpay nating lahat, mahalin natin ang Pilipinas, paunlarin natin ang ating bayan. Maraming salamat po and good afternoon everyone.